guys, and welcome back to my bathroom floor. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I figured I would hop on the bandwagon and create a Valentine's look for you guys. This is going to be a glam pink look, which pink is my favorite color, so I'm really excited to do this. Plus my husband and I are going out tonight, so it's perfect for me to do my makeup all glam and extra. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. I am going to be using brands that you have seen for my small brand highlights. So this is just a couple of their products, and I hope you like the look, and I will drop links below so you also can get them as well. So the first thing that I'm going to go in with is the Inaugural Palette by IndiBeat Cosmetics. Unfortunately, this palette is sold out and not restocking. However, there will be a new palette coming soon, so don't worry. I'm first going to go in with this pale peachy shade just as my pale transition color. So here I do switch my lighting because I figured it'd be easier for you guys to see the colors, but I do go in with a darker orange shade to darken up that crease. And here you can really see how easy and blendable the pigments and the colors are in this palette, which is why I love their formula for eyeshadows. They're just so easy to work with. Next, I'm going to go in with one of the bright pink colors in this palette. And this I'm going to put all over my lid as the base lid color. Next, I'm going to go back in with that orange darker shade that I had just to buff out that pink into the rest of the colors. And here I'm going to take this dark plum color and I'm going to use that to darken up the outside and smoke everything out. And coming back to the palette, I'm going to take my palest transition color and I'm going to use that to blend out the harsher lines of the dark plum color, just to make it really all blend together. And you can see how easy that is to do with all these different colors. The formula is really great with itself. I know like some palettes you can't really blend some of the colors together, but this one is not the case. All the colors blend so well together and look so pretty. And going back in with that dark plum color, I'm going to use that to smoke out my bottom lash line. And here I'm going to use my breast cancer awareness glitter and pigment stack from GlitterBitez Cosmetics. And I'm going to use one of the 2 pigments that they include in this stack, and I'm going to use that to put all over my lid and it just really brighten it up and make it pop. And switching up the lighting one more time, I'm going to go in with my Illustrious Honor highlighter palette, also from IndiBeat Cosmetics. This one, there are still some available. I don't know if they're going to restock it, so it's kind of like a first come first serve for what's left. I'm going to take that pink highlighter and I'm going to pop it in my inner corner. I changed the lighting again just because my light was starting to die, so I tried to move out into the kitchen to try to catch the last of the natural light in the house. So yeah, this process has been a mess. I also use the white highlighter color to highlight the rest of my face. And here I'm going to go in with IndiBeat Cosmetics Lip Scrub in the scent Vanilla Vixen. It is my favorite smell and I love using it because it leaves my lips super soft and it makes it so much easier for lipsticks and lip products to just go right on super smoothly and evenly. And finally, I go in with e.l.f. Cosmetics Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade, I believe it's Flirty and Fabulous. And it is this perfect pink color that will pull it all together. Lately I haven't really been wearing eyeliner with my eyeshadow looks, but this one I thought definitely would look a lot better with it, and it does. So this is what it looks like with eyeliner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will leave all the links in the description box down below. Let me know what you guys did for your Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!